Hi guys! What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel and I'm excited today because we're going to do a product review of the trending Jollibee Chicken Joy that you can find in the nearest supermarket in your house. So, I would like to welcome you also sa aking cute kitchen, and this is my dirty kitchen inside my house. And here we'll be doing the Jollibee Chicken Joy. So as we all know, dahil nga lockdown and maraming Jollibee store ang closed for the past few days, I think Jollibee JFC decided to sell their chicken to the supermarkets. So ayan. So ngayon, aalamin natin kung masarap nga ba talaga yung Jollibee Chicken Joy that you can buy in the market. So let's do the cooking. And let's do the product review later. Tara! So this is what I bought sa supermarket. So I have the thighs and the legs. So sabi sa instructions, dahil may timpla na siya, ang gagawin na lang natin ay we will prepare the flour and egg. So what are we going to do is first dip the chicken sa egg and then i-breading using the flour and the fry. So now we will cook it.
A few moments later.
Ayan guys, luto na ang ating fried chicken. Look! Ayan. Hindi man siya kasing kamukha nung nakita natin sa Jollibee. Pero I can say na medyo malapit na din yung itsura niya. I think the color medyo okay naman. Pero iba pa rin talaga yung itsura nung nasa Jollibee. Now, it's the time for us to taste kung ano ba ang lasa nitong Jollibee chicken na bibili natin sa supermarket. Let's taste it. Huh? Masarap. Sorry, hindi na ako agad nakapagbigay ng comment. Pero ang sarap. Kahit itlog lang and flour yung nilagay natin, I can say masarap yung loob, yung meat part ng chicken. I think it's really timplada na, no? Meron na siyang timpla. Yung mabibili sa supermarket, and it tastes good. Hindi lang siya sobrang kasinlasa nung mabibili mo sa Jollibee store talaga, sa Jollibee packet. Pero I can say it tastes good also. It's okay, lalo na kung tama yung pagkakaluto mo, kung hindi siya hilaw. Look, ang say na feeling ko yung kinakain ko talagang legit na Jollibee Chicken Joy na pinadeliver ko. Yun yung lasa niya. Now, I'll try naman yung Thai part. Kanina I tried leg part. Now, I tried the Thai part. Nasarap talaga siya, in fairness. Okay yung lasa. I think one pack is around 190 to 200 pesos. I'm not sure lang kung ilang pieces. Pero I think this one is sulit na. Pwede mo na to iluto and ipagkain sa buong family nyo. During the lockdown, if you miss Jollibee and there's no Jollibee store nearby na open at this moment, and then pupunta kayo sa supermarket to have your grocery for 2 weeks, and you find Jollibee chicken there, you can grab na. Huwag lang mag-hoard kasi may iba ring taong gustong bumili. And then maybe you can try this one. You just need an egg and flour. First you need to dip it sa egg, and then next to flour, i-breading ng flour, and then fry it. Just make sure na yung oil nyo is talagang mainit before nyo ilagay yung chicken para hindi hindi hilaw luto yung flour. So, thank you for watching. Uubusin ko muna tong aking kinakain na chicken. This is for my dinner already. Please don't forget to subscribe. And please share this to your friends para makita nila at malaman nila kung masarap pa talaga ang Jollibee Chicken Joy sa supermarket. Thank you for watching and keep safe. Bye-bye!